Hi everyone, let's talk about how to purchase XRP Ripple on a Coinbase app. So to purchase XRP Ripple on a Coinbase app, first you have to fund your account. Just head to your Coinbase app, then make sure that you're logged into your account. Now tap My Assets at the bottom of your screen and then select Add Cash. Then choose your bank account or card and then enter the amount. Then tap Confirm to deposit your amount. Now look at the XRP. Tap the search bar at the top of the home screen. Then type XRP and select XRP from the official asset list. Now tap the blue buy button and then enter your desired fiat amount. To execute the purchase, tap the blue buy button and then enter your desired fiat amount. Review the Coinbase transaction fees and then tap Preview Buy. Then select Buy Now to finalize. Now to verify delivery, return to the Assets tab and then check your crypto wallet balance. Confirm the XRP tokens appear in your portfolio. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. See you in my next one.